Yeah, that's correct.
So the fifth defendants, are you going to take it up? Or
Well, with respect, first of all, let me comment about the soundness of the judgment. That judgment is very sound, reflects the facts and the law. The judge did a very thorough job. The judgment that lasted for over 3 hours. He examined and evaluated all the pieces of evidence adduced and correctly applied the law. We are not surprised because the investigation that went into the prosecution was not only forensic, it was thorough. The DSS did a very, very thorough and painstaking investigation. And it was that thorough and painstaking investigation that the trial was anchored. Therefore, the evidence adduced by the prosecution was ironclad. And so we're not surprised that the judgment came out the way it did. Now, first to fourth defendants had been convicted for acts of terrorism as a result of their participation in the attack of St. Francis Catholic Church on the 5th of June 2022, where over 40 worshippers who merely went to worship God were killed in cold blood. Over 100 were also injured in that attack. So we are happy because justice has been served, justice has been done to the deceased who were murdered in cold blood. Justice has been done to their family members. Justice has been done to the Owo community. Justice has been done to the society at large. So we are very, very happy. And this is another statement, bold statement by the federal government, that for some of them that are still carrying on acts of terrorism and other heinous crimes, they can only run. They cannot hide. The long arm of the law will catch up with them. And if you live by sword, you will die by sword. So this is a statement by the federal government who provided the enabling environment, the facilities for the DSS to do their job. We are indeed very happy that this judgment, and particularly as the maximum sentence has been imposed on them, the first to fourth defendants having been convicted of acts of terrorism have been sentenced to death by hanging. Otohu is his name. Mohammed Otohu, that's the name of the fifth defendant. With respect to his own case, well, we are going to meet with our clients, confer with our clients, and review the judgment vis-a-vis the evidence. Then we'll determine the next step to take. Thank you very much. Thank you.